Hi there, students. A nightcap. Okay, well, firstly, a nightcap can be a hat that you wear on your head when you go to bed. I don't think these are very common nowadays, but I have this image of a Victorian gentleman or a Georgian gentleman with a nightcap that goes to a point and it's got a tassel on the end, yeah, that comes down. But nowadays we use this nightcap to mean a final drink before you go to bed. Yeah, normally an alcoholic drink. So why don't we have a nightcap before we go to bed? Yeah, a brandy or something like that. I think you could also use this word a nightcap to talk about a hot drink, a hot chocolate or something like that. But normally a nightcap, it implies something alcoholic, yeah? So a nightcap. So I invited her up for a nightcap and she said yes. Okay, so a nightcap, a drink that you have just before going to bed. Would you care to join me for a nightcap? Um, let's see. I think you could also, by extension, use this for maybe the book that you read before you go to bed, or something that you listen to before you go to bed. So I normally listen to Radio 4 for a little bit as a nightcap. You could use it like that as well. But let's see, the nightcap, it's normally an alcoholic drink or maybe a hot drink like a hot chocolate or something like that. So, well, I'd be interested to see if any of you out there actually still wear a nightcap. But to have a nightcap before you go to bed, this is a very common phrase. Yeah, a dram of whiskey, a little tipple, something like that. Yeah, the last drink before you go to bed. Formality. I think I'm going to give it 4.5 in formality. Yeah, I think you could use this informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, in something very formal, maybe not. I would say a final drink or a final brandy or a final drink before going to bed, something like that. Okay, so a nightcap, yeah, the hat that you wear when you go to bed, but people don't do this anymore, that's old fashioned. And then an alcoholic drink before you go to bed. Yeah, try asking your young lady if she'd like to join you for a nightcap. It could also be a warm drink, a hot drink, I'm saying a hot chocolate because coffee before bed is not a good idea. Or maybe something you do, you read a book as a nightcap, or you listen to a little bit of music or something as a nightcap. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A nightcap.